Yo, what's up everyone? You already know Apple has recently announced their new smartphone which is called, and like every iPhone 11 has also some new features and many of them are like kinda similar with their older iPhone. But among them, I like their music player a lot. And as you can see, I'm using that iPhone 11 music player on my Android. And I like this music player a lot because of these features. Because I can search which song I need. Also from browser tab, I can browse new songs from the internet and also get the top chart and hot music from there. Also Equalizer mode which helps to enjoy my music a lot, and form setting, yeah, of course, a dark mode. This is the best music player, trust me, because these works so great. Also it has some great design without a doubt, of course. And if I play this song, the now playing screen is really so great. Also give me a volume control which is really helpful, trust me. And from the swipe up we can get the up next, and this is really helpful because it can help to rearrange the next song which I want to listen, and the best word. From there I can share the song, and also this sleep timer which I everyday use, because this feature helps a lot while I'm listening to music and ready to sleep after a while. So this is the feature everyday I use, and that's one of the reason I like this music player a lot. It on Android, but it doesn't have any laggings or bugs. So yeah, it is one of the best music player I can say you can try on Android. That's it. If you want to get this iPhone 11 music player on your Android phone, check the link in the description. Just download and install without rooting your phone. It doesn't require to root your phone, so it's really good. And hit the like and subscribe button, share with your friends, comment below if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. Peace out.